Good evening, one and all. So, today I am here to explain my project regarding wireless concepts. So, my project is innovative project in IoT transformation. So, um, coming to the topic, so it's an innovative project using IoT devices like IoT. Uh, Mainly, I'm explaining about in transport how IoT is used in transportation. So in transportation means in the seaways like ships and boats, in the airways like airplanes, and in roadways in cars and trams and trains. So I'm here to explain about this how the IoT devices are used revolution transportation with IoT devices. So coming to this introduction of this project. So in the introduction, I would like to explain some brief concepts and everything. So in the introduction part, so the advent of Internet of Things changes the way of living. It changes the way of living, and IoT also changes the objectives into smart cities, smartphones, home automation, and smart traffic. It changes the it changes totally. IoT totally changes into the smart way in every field, like in transportation, in cities or phones, everything. And coming to the my study, I I focus on the application of Internet of Things in the transportation, mainly in the transportations. Like previously, I said that in roadways or seaways or airways, on trains, whatever it is. So, and coming to the topic of this subject, so I would like to explain now the briefly about the topic. So, what is the aim of the project? So, the aim of the project and aim of the topic is it incorporates Internet of Things to enhance the quality and performance of the vehicle capabilities. Yeah, to improve, to enhance, to escalate the performance of the vehicle capabilities, and also to improve the valuable insights to the business, and also it's valuable insights to the business. Yeah, and I would like to tell the purpose of the project. The purpose of the project is the purpose of this project is also reducing the overall transportation costs. So I would like to, so the and also the second aim is like reduce, descend the transportation cost, and also the proper waste management. Yeah. And also the proper waste management and improve the environmental sustainabilities. So now we are seeing the how the environmental is going down. So in this study, in this way, we can improve the environmental sustainability and reduce the consumption of the resources. So we can easily reduce the resources, so that automatically it will improve the environmental sustainability. And also, so these are the my first aim and the second aim. So coming to the collaboration of the Internet of Things and transportation, here in this part I would like to tell something, two or more points about the collaboration of Internet Things and transportation, how it was related. So trucking business is a major part of Australian economy, obviously, because of the trading, the trucking. Trucking is nothing but I mean, in the Australian economy, it's a major business, and economy is totally running over this in the trading and these exports and imports, mainly in Australia. So how it was related, I would like to explain how it was related to the collaboration. With the help of collaboration with IoT, it can be possible to improve the transportation and business logistics effectively. And also further, the IoT, I mean Internet of Things practices how to reduce the consumption of the fuel as well as enhance improve the environmental sustainability. We also practice with the IoT how to reduce the consumption of fuel and also improve the environmental sustainability. So these are the brief I'm explaining the collaboration. And coming to the next part, I would like to explain about the reasons of proposing the wireless design. Yeah, wireless design. So how it works and what are the reasons why we are proposing this. So coming to the first point, so enabling the reduction of the consumption by arranging the resources into a single vehicle. You may got it, yeah. And also the second point is reducing the traffic consumption by monitoring the traffic lights automatically. So it will helps to not taking it's like consumption. It will helps in consumption, reducing traffic consumption, reducing time consumption, everything by monitoring the traffic lights automatically. Even the more in Australia, here we are seeing this. And also reduction of accidents and improving the parking experience automatically. If we reduce by follow these rules, automatically we can reduce the accidents. That's one of the like most important point. And also I would like to share my idea of the wireless design. So coming to the idea of the wireless design, so the first point is manufacturers will be able to get insights into the handling of products from different customers with the help of Internet of Things sensors. So with the different customers with the help of the IoTs, Internet of Things sensors. How it means they are embedded in packaging and products, like embedded to the products. For example, masks till in 2016. Yeah. And also one more point is the idea of a wireless design. So the next point is the smart tracking mechanism can trace the product deterioration during the time of product transit. So we can easily tracking the mechanism, we can easily trace, so it will helps. So also the contrary, and also this other point is smart security can monitor the product viability effectively with the Internet of Things security sensor, by using the Internet of Things security sensor. And also with the help of geolocations, it can be possible to track the trucks and to reduce the capital requirements of the overall transportation. Yeah, we can easily reduce the overall transportation and we can easily trace them. And also so overall I mean for this, and also I would like to share how the benefits of the Internet of Things in transportation. What are the benefits we have? So the first benefit is it is able to monitor and process the traffic data in order to manage the transportation infrastructure. Yeah. And also the second point is this design is able to access the road condition and thereby it does not damage the road condition. Also it is able to read the road condition and thereby ease congestion. And the last point is one more. Further, with the help of Internet of Things sensors, it can recognize other vehicles and thereby reduces the accident percentage. Definitely. So these are the benefits over here, and I would like to explain how the idea works, how it works, how our idea. So the first point is the Internet of Things sensors can automatically notify the driver regarding unexpected movement of other vehicles and reduce the percentage of accidents. So definitely it will works. And also the second point is the Wi-Fi module can analyze the traffic flow in order to determine the traffic status and thereby improving routing. References like Melis East Ale 2016, which was happened. So the third point is the engine diagnostic can identify the structural problem in tunnels and bridges. And the fourth point is the driver attention monitor can help to monitor the drivers using small infrared camera and warn driver by creating sounds. It will help. So these are the points I would like to share how it works, our idea, how it works, everything. So I would like to share how briefly about the design of the product. So imagine there is a truck. I mean, there is like that truck which is carrying the containers and everything. So I mean, many of these familiar with the trucks. So imagine that on the front side of the truck there is a like engine diagnostics, and the middle starting point of the work, vehicle speed, drive and idle time, and also the middle back side of the engine, it's a geolocation, we can see it. And the last part, I mean last before part, which is like a fuel level and efficiency, we can imagine or trace. And the back to the fuel level and efficiency, there is a cargo environment. And also on the back side, on the last part of the truck, we are keeping the assets tracking to track the everything. Like, so these are the parts. Imagine like the truck we are inserting. So these will how IoT, I mean IoT traces and everything like this. So what are the technologies? We are here to improve the technologies. Like, what are the necessary technologies in this? Like, we are using image recognition, QR code, barcode, Bluetooth, printed electronics, Wi-Fi module, and also sensors. So, and coming to the next part, identifying the technical issues. Apart from the benefits, the smart transportation involves some of the technical issues, and hence different technical issues can be provided. The delay in response due to the lack of fast internet connection, and also the sensor is unable to detect the traffic congestion due to use by management. The last point is the devices that are implemented can loop it together. So coming to the conclusion, I would like to explain the few points. Like, the design can be changed the customer experience through the smart transportation. The second point is it is able to reduce the traffic congestion by aligning the traffic flow. However, there are some of the issues associated with the smart transportation. And also the last conclusion is the proper management of issues is required through effective adaptation of Internet of Things to mitigate the issues. So these are my conclusion. So hopefully you can understand my total project and everything. So thank you very much. Thank you one and all.